Wow, we're trying another whiskey alternative here today from Seir Hill. This is our first time trying these guys out.
This is Mashville, their whiskey, and I'm excited. This is a charred oak flavor, sweet corn flavor, malt flavor, clove extract. Well, I'm interested.
Yeah, they've been around for a couple of years, and according to their website, you're not really drinking it neat or on the rocks. It's designed to be mixed. It has a decent aroma. I like that.
Wow.
But,
very sharp.
Yeah.
Very, very bitter. I do get oak. I do get
yeah,
caramel.
lots of oak.
I am excited to try it in my coffee drink, though.
Yeah.
So we're also mixing it with Lyre's Coffee Originale. It's one of my favorite coffee liqueur alternatives. And I'm going to put a little bit of cream on mine because that's what I love. So
this drink has what? Like
it has just regular coffee, the Coffee Originale.
A couple ounces.
Yeah, and then a couple ounces of the whiskey. So pretty straightforward, simple drink.
Whoa. That's been a long time since I saw one of these guys.
All right.
It's a festive drink, so cheers. That's some serious coffee.
Yeah, definitely a lot of coffee flavor. And that's what I like. Kind of messy. But I like it. What do you think? Is it too strong on the coffee?
I'm going to sip it with the whipped cream. I'm processing. It's a good drink. I'm just trying to process what am I?
What are you tasting?
I'm trying to taste the.
I definitely get the oak still.
Yeah. Yeah, I think the Lyre's coffee and the coffee is overwhelming the whiskey. I'm not sure that I'm tasting this much.
Okay, so
personally.
So I'm not getting as much of the sweet corn flavor or the malty flavor that they have in there, but I definitely get the oak. I guess because I just really enjoy coffee. I'm loving this.
I don't drink a lot of coffee. I drink a little bit, and I like the whipped cream kind of balances out.
Yeah, you can add more to yours if you feel like it. I feel as though the Seir Hill, it's a good flavor. It's not as strong as Kentucky 74. It's definitely not that burn that you get from it or from Ritual's whiskey. So it's in its own class.
It's gluten-free, it's vegan, it's allergen-free, all that kind of good stuff. So it doesn't seem like it's quite as sweet as the Ritual.
No, it has 0 sugars, which is awesome. Ritual whiskey has about 1 gram or 2 grams per serving. It's not that much, honestly. I'm going to just add a little bit more. Oh yeah, I'm definitely getting that malty, oaky flavor. It's probably my coffee was a little bit stronger than whiskey ratio. I forget, with these alternatives, if you're trying to go 1-for-1 in a cocktail recipe, you're going to need to almost double what the alternative is.
Normally $40, on sale right now for $35.
And if you buy all 3, their tequila alternative, their rum alternative, and the whiskey alternative, you get a little bit better price break. So that's what I did. I bought all 3, and I did that for Black Friday sale. So they came out to be more like $29 a bottle, which was not bad. Would I buy this one again? Probably not, because I really enjoy the burn that I get from Kentucky 74 and from Ritual.
Yeah.
Now on its own, just in this drink, I think it works really well. I don't find that I need the burn in my coffee drink. I think that nice oaky flavor works really well with the coffee. So I would give this one a good 6.5, 7, just on its own. But for the Seir Hill Mashville, I probably would give it more like a 6. Yeah, for this price point as well, it's much higher than Ritual, which is at $29 usually.
This drink, it's a nice drink. I look forward to trying more of these like tasty little coffee beverages.
My coffee obsession. I still have quite a bit of the Coffee Originale left. I will be making some more.
Yeah. And
I think with the rum next time. We'll try it with the Seir Hill's rum.
Yeah, love those coffee drinks. A nice warm coffee drink during the winter months is a pleasure. So happy dry January. Hope you're hanging in there. And, there's so many great alternatives out there. It's a wonderful world to explore the non-alcoholic alternatives. And we hope you have as much fun doing it as we do.
Yeah.